This hidden ingredient shapes entire cuisines globally. Without it, many favorite flavors would vanish forever. This hidden ingredient shapes entire cuisines globally. Without it, many favorite flavors would vanish forever. Today, we uncover a tiny, mighty microorganism. Meet koji, or Aspergillus oryzae, Japan's national fungus. It masterfully transforms simple ingredients into complex tastes. Koji is vital for creating miso, sake, and soy sauce. Its profound impact extends across all Japanese gastronomy. Prepare to explore this ancient, culinary powerhouse with us. What exactly makes koji so incredibly special? Koji is a type of mold cultivated on steamed grains.
Rice, barley, or soybeans often serve as its substrate.
This fungus produces powerful digestive enzymes naturally. Amylase breaks down starches into simpler sugars. Protease transforms proteins into amino acids efficiently. These chemical reactions unlock incredible flavor potential. Koji is a true alchemist in the kitchen. Koji's history in Japan spans over a millennium. Its use dates back to at least the Nara period. Ancient texts mention sake brewing from 710 AD. Miso and soy sauce recipes also emerged centuries ago. Koji became the cornerstone of Japanese culinary tradition. It allowed preservation and flavor development year-round. Families cultivated koji, passing knowledge generationally. This fungus truly shaped a nation's unique palate. One key gift of koji is the elusive umami. Protease enzymes release glutamates from proteins effectively. These free glutamates create the savory fifth taste. Think of that deep, satisfying richness in miso soup, or the complex depth in perfectly aged soy sauce. Koji fermentation intensifies these desirable flavor compounds.
It elevates simple ingredients to extraordinary heights.
Today, koji's influence is spreading globally rapidly. Chefs use it for tenderizing meats and vegetables. Shio koji, a salt koji marinade, adds incredible depth. Amaze, a sweet fermented rice drink, gains popularity. It offers a natural, healthy sweetness alternative. Koji even features in artisanal cheese production now. Its versatility continues to inspire culinary innovation. This ancient mold is truly having a modern renaissance. Koji remains an indispensable part of Japanese culture. Its scientific power transforms food chemistry profoundly. From ancient tradition to modern kitchens, koji thrives. Understanding koji reveals deep culinary connections. It is more than just a fungus. It is heritage. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.